everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Style. Hope you're having a great day. It's pretty sunny here in BC, and I have another requested video regarding my Toiletry 26 from Louis Vuitton and what fits, and about the Samorga Conversion kit. So I thought that I would do a little video on that to show you how you can turn a Toiletry 26 into a shopping bag, basically. Alright, so if you'd be so kind as subscribe to my channel, please ring the bell to be notified every time I upload videos, and hit that like button and subscribe, because once I reach 500 subscribers, I'm going to be doing a great giveaway. So please do that. It's very simple to enter. All you have to do is be subscribed. All right, so let's go ahead and get into it. All right, so basically Samorga makes these conversion kits, and they're pretty simple to order, they're pretty simple to use, and it works out pretty good. They also make a conversion kit for the Toiletry 19, but I think that's kind of too small. But if it works for you, that's great, but for my use, it would definitely be too small. And even the Toiletry 15, that's pretty small as well. So anyways, let's go ahead and get into it, and I'll show you the items. And the strap is not a Vuitton strap, but I did purchased that through Fern Fancy Face on Facebook. So she's a dear friend of mine. I hope she's doing well. And so the strap I was able to purchase from her because on Louis Vuitton the straps are very hard to get. Plus, they're pretty outrageous for what you're getting, in my opinion. And so sometimes you just have to do alternates. But it works out really good, actually. And you can, even though it's not adjustable, you can use it for other bags, too. So, and it's all vachetta, and it looks just like a Vuitton strap. Actually looks better due to the quality issues, right? Not so good. All right, so this is a Toiletry 26. They don't make them anymore. It is made in France. I bought this directly from the boutique in Edmonton, Canada. Okay, so that's what it looks like. And then I put the strap on. See, the strap's pretty cool. It's a crossbody strap. It works out like perfect. And then it just put it in the side there. There's little D-rings, and I'll take the insert out too so you can see, but you can kind of get an idea. All right, and the Samorga organizer converter is in the mango color, which is really pretty. All right, so let's go ahead and see what fits. All right, got my mask. I got some napkins. I have my Chanel sunglasses, which are pretty cool. They've got the CCs on the side there in that pearl essence kind of abalone shell look. It may be real shell, but I have no idea. All right, I have my reading glasses. I have my phone. I have my Disney coin purse that I had on my graffiti Mickey bag, camera bag. I have my Summertime Fun card case from Walt Disney World. I have some lipsticks, lip balm, lip gloss, and some L'Occitane hand cream. Okay, so that's what I carried in this little pouch today. And I'll show you what it looks like. Let's go ahead and take it out. Alright, here we go. Alright, so you just basically, any strap, there's a little D-ring there, and you just attach it. This is in the mango color. Wouldn't a purse look really cool in this color? And this is by Samorga. Alright, and, oh, and I had a receipt. Okay, so it has one open spot, a good size here, and then on the other side, what is this? Oh, this is my little earring I was gonna go have checked, but the guy wasn't there. Alright, and then it's got two slots in there. So this is a great insert or organizer basically, and you can also, if this fits in other like totes or whatever, you can just take the strap off. Okay, just take it off like that, pretty simple. Okay, so the strap is off. This strap is pretty good size, so it works out as a good crossbody too. But what I do is if I'm going to use this for something else, I just go ahead and see the little rings there. I just put them down below here. Here we go. And then I just stick it in that way, and it works out. If you have other things that are similar in size, you can just use it for that. But yeah, this color is really, really pretty. So I hope Vuitton or maybe Chanel will come out with like a seasonal color. Wouldn't that be cool? Alright, so that's what fits in my Toiletry 26 and how you can convert it in from a travel pouch, which some people just carry this as a clutch, which I probably wouldn't, but you could. And then inside is just all wipeable. So if you do spill something in there, you don't have to worry that it's going to be ruining all your other items, which is kind of cool. But yeah, some people use it as a clutch, but like I said, I wouldn't be something I would do. But you certainly could. And you could just maybe, well, this is basically a travel pouch. So you could put this like in your Neverfull or like a bigger tote bag, because it is pretty good size. And you could put it in your luggage, put your cosmetics in it, your shampoo, all that fun stuff. Because that's basically what this is designed for. It's designed to travel. As most Louis Vuitton items are really designed for travel. So thank you very much for the requests, and I hope everybody's having a great day. Until next time, thanks for watching Susan from Senior Style with the senior point of view, and I hope you have a great day, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye now.